A to Z classes. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jar. K for king. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for vulture. W for wolf. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Subscribe for more videos.